please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Do you suffer with troubled water? The X10 water filter allows you to get the quality of bottled water right from your tap. Using the patented KDF media in conjunction with the highest quality granular activated carbon, the X10 water filter outperforms traditional filters by removing up to 99% of water contaminants. This includes iron, copper, lead, mercury, aluminum and sulfur, and it eliminates most water problems caused by metal, minerals, lime, calcium, and volatile organic compounds. The X10 water filter helps to bring pH and alkalinity into line and removes odors and bad tastes. The X10 water filter fits a standard garden hose, treats 10,000 gallons of water, and comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, so stop trucking water. X10 water filter is a great source of water for filling hot tubs, aquariums, koi ponds and bird baths, topping up your swimming pool, for washing your windows and cars so you don't get calcium spots, drinking water for livestock and pets. The X10 water filter is for use in every situation where you simply want to start with better water. So, if you're not using the X10 water filter, then we ask, what's in your water?
Thanks for watching.